Hello, I'm Carol Crenshaw, and I'll be presenting at the NGH convention this year. My topic is Meditation for the Hypnotist and Client, a process of continuous deepening. This presentation is designed to teach you how to meditate systematically, learn what its benefits are, and how to share that with your clients. In this presentation, we will cover what meditation is and isn't and its benefits, hypnosis and meditation, a comparison, how they're alike and how they're different, and a breathing meditation practicum to teach you how to meditate systematically. This presentation will be especially good for anyone who wants to learn how to meditate in a systematic and effective way, and possibly share that with their clients to help them become more relaxed and clearer and make more progress in the work. I look forward to sharing my presentation with you then.